Hello guys, welcome back to Vitex Communication channel. Please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a simple battery booster. What's a battery booster? Battery booster is an equipment used in increasing the current or the voltage of a battery. We have many types of battery booster. So let me show you how to do the simple one. This kind of one, you can do it in your shop. You don't require to go and buy it. It's only some of the things that you don't have that you will buy in doing that. So let's go. Some of the things you need in doing the battery booster are: one, you need your charger. Look at it here. You need your charger. Or if you don't have charger, you can decide to use a cord. You can decide to use a charger cord. So if you use charger cord, know that you need head of charger. If you want to use charger cord, you need head of charger. Look at the head of charger. Or you can use a desktop with a USB port. So, but in today's video, we are going to use desktop charger with a USB port. So what you need to do first, one, since you want to do a battery booster, you got to cut the head of this charger because it's only the wire that you want to use. You need to cut it. Sorry, another thing you still need in doing the battery booster is your sellotape, your pin, or any strong sharp metal you have there. So let's go. Let me cut it. After everything, let me just cut it. Okay, so look at the cord. I've already cut the charger pin or the mouth. So what you need to do is to peel it, as you have seen in the screen there. Look at it. I've already peeled it. So now the next thing to do is to bring this your pin. I'm peeling the charger cable. Okay, so after peeling it, look at my two pin. You can decide to use any metal you like. For me, I'm using pin. So note that it's only two wires you need, the black and the white, the negative and the positive respectively. So let me tie the black or the negative wire here. Then let me tie the positive or the red wire here. So after that, I've already tied it. After that, you need to tape it so that it will not cut, or so that wire will not shock you. Here I'm using paper tape. Good. Let me tape the second one. Let me still tape it. Let me tape it well. Okay, look at it here. The positive, that is the red, the negative. So what you have to do now is to pluck it. plug it. Here I'm using desktop. You can still use this charger head, but for effective working of this battery booster, you need charger that have lights. You need charger that have light so that you will know if the battery is boosting or not. Normally, if a battery is boosting, it will dim, the charger light will dim. So you need charger or charger head that have light. You can decide to use desktop that have light so that you will dictate if your battery is boosting. But you can use other charger head though, but you will not know actually if the thing is boosting except you test it. But when you use charger that have light, when you plug it, when you see that the light is dimming, that is when you will know that the battery is boosting. So let's try it. So look at the desktop charger with USB port that we are using. Then look at the cord here that we made the battery booster. Look at it here. So now you got to plug it now. Plug the cable to the desktop USB port. Sorry for that. So let me plug it. Yeah, the desktop bring out light. It is very important to use the one with light. So to test if the thing is working, you can just join it together. Says you have off. So what we do now, we got boost this Techno battery. As you can see, this by my right here is the plus, by the left here is the minus, that is negative and positive respectively. So to boost this battery now, you will place this one with the red in the plus sign, that is the positive. Then you will place this negative one in the minus side. So let's go. Sorry. Let me adjust the charger. So let's go. Look at how I'm doing it. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. You can see it. So that is it. So now let me do it so that you will see the charger lights. You will see how the light is dimming to show that the battery is boosting. Okay, are you seeing the light there? If I remove it, it will shine. If I place it back, it will dim, as you can see there on the screen. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. I hope you have learned a lot on how to make a simple battery booster. This one you don't need to spend any money, just your cable, your charger head, your pin, finish. You don't need plenty things to do that one. So thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of this video. Love you. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitex Communication channel. Bye.